Hello everyone and welcome back to our course. In this lecture, we're going to start analyzing one of the features of our dataset. We'll begin with sale price, which will be our main feature. It's also commonly the target feature. So commonly you'll see machine learning projects or even data science projects that use all the other features or several other features to try to predict sale price. All right, so let's create a new code cell. And first, we are going to get a descriptive statistics summary. So we can get our data frame at the column we want, which is sale price. Then we can use the describe function. And if we run this code cell, we'll get some statistics, including the count, the mean or average, the standard, the minimum, 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum. As well, we get the name of the column and the data type. Next, let's create our first graph with this column. So we're going to create a histogram, which is going to be showing us the distribution of values. So let's take the data frame at the sale price, and we're going to see how frequently values appear. So I'm going to use the hist function, which is available to us because data frame is a pandas data frame. And then I'm going to pass in here the number of bins that I want. I'm going to choose 20. Then if I run this cell, look at that. I now can see the distribution of all of my values, and I can also separate them with an edge color. So let's set an edge color of black. All right, then we'll rerun this code cell. And look at this. This shows us the frequency of sale prices. So here we can see the sale price is on the x-axis, and we also have our frequency, which is on the y-axis. So it looks like the most frequent sale price was, let's see, we have here about 125,000 to 150,000. That is the most frequent sale price. And the least frequent sale price was 750,000 because it did have one instance, not zero, but it was the least frequent, along with some of these other ones as well. So just like this, we get a quick visual of the distribution of our data. Now that we know how to work with one of the features, we're going to look at how we can look at multiple features at a time. All right, so join me in the next lecture. We're going to go into not just one feature, but we're going to look at all of the numerical features, so those that can be on a range. Join me in the next lecture where we will continue our project.